Hello students, my name is Prashant. This is the 16th session of chapter number 1 integers. Yesterday or in previous class I have started exercise 1.3 and I covered first main. Today I am going to deal with the second main. I will write the second main questions here and I will solve for you. Please note down the solution while watching the videos, or you can take the screenshots. Okay, you can peacefully watch the videos, you can understand. While watching you can take screenshots. Those screenshots will be saved in your gallery. Afterwards you can write neatly using those pics or photos. Okay. Second main, exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, integers. Exercise 1.3. This is second main. Second main heading is verify the following. Verify the following. See, in this second main, total 2 questions are there. Statements are given, equations are given. You have to just verify it. What do you mean by verify? Verify means whatever they will give, you have to check it. The statement given in the textbook, you have to check it. Okay, they are telling whatever they are giving is a right, and you have to check it afterwards. You have to say whether it is a true or a false. Like you have to check LHS as well as RHS separately. Okay, I will write the question. You will come to know. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 18 into 7 plus this is one mathematical statement, or you can say equation also, because whenever equality is present and LHS, RHS are present, we can say it as a equation. It is an equation only. Okay. Now they are telling this LHS left hand side, equality's left side is known as a LHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side RHS. Now you have to check. Whether what they are telling is true or false. If yes, then equality sign will remain as it is. If it is not equal, you have to remove this equal sign and you have to use inequality sign. Okay, you have to slash it. If you use one slash in between those two lines, okay, then it will become inequality sign. So look here, by looking at this equation, which property it remains? It remains distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. Distributive property is used here, and we all know that distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition for integers is always true, but still we need to solve LHS and RHS separately, and we have to check it. First I will solve the LHS. Okay, I will come to RHS later. First I will solve the LHS. Okay. Look here, these two numbers 7 and minus 3 are inside bracket. So first I need to solve these two integers in such a manner that I should get single number answer, then only I can remove this bracket. So I will keep 18 as it is into as it is. Solve these two, I have to need to open this smaller bracket. From smaller bracket to larger bracket we will move. This is the way of solving. Okay, you cannot just open larger bracket, then you can't open smaller. First you need to open small brackets, then you can open large bracket. 7 as it is. To open this bracket, plus into minus, minus, this 3 will come outside. Now don't open this bracket in next step. Solve. First you solve inside it. Okay, until you get a single answer. 18 as it is into as it is. Now you solve. Plus 7 minus 3. Plus 7 minus 3. Signs are different. Subtraction. 7 minus 3 will give you 4 greater number sign positive. Okay. Now you can open the bracket. Now you can open the bracket. 18 into as it is. To open this bracket, outside plus is there. Plus into plus will give you plus, and this 4 will come outside. Right? Now plus into, between these two integers which sign is there? Into is there. For multiplication. For multiplication no greater sign principle is applied. Okay, here rules are different. I discussed yesterday. Plus into plus will give you plus. 18 4s are 4 8s are 32. 3 here. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7 72. 18 4s are 72. So our LHS answer is 72. Now you just use this symbol. Okay. We are not sure whether it is equal or not equal, but we have to use it. Next, you solve this. To separate are there, plus is there. First you solve this bracket. 18 7s are inside, plus into plus, plus will only become 18 7s are 7 8s are 56. 5 here, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 126. Plus as it is. Before opening this large bracket, open this small bracket. 18 as it is into as it is, plus into minus, minus 3 will come outside. Now you can open this bracket because inside single answer is there, plus 126, and outside sign if you multiply, bracket will open. Plus into plus 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 126. It came outside. Now still you can't open this large bracket because inside two numbers are there. Plus as it is, solve this. 18 3s are, before multiplying 18 into 3, signs are multiplied, no, plus into minus, minus 18 3s are 8 3s are 24, 24 4, 2 here, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 54. This plus 126 as it is, plus into minus, minus 54. You solve this. Plus 126 minus 54 means subtraction. Signs are different. Then there is no multiplication sign between them. So subtract 126 minus 54. 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So whatever procedure what you have learnt in primary, okay, 12 minus 5 7. So our answer is 72 and greater number plus 72 plus 70. Therefore LHS is equals to LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore given statement is a true. Take one screenshot. Okay, screenshot of this solution. Solve in this similar fashion only. Okay. B question is also there. I will write B question. What I will do, I will solve B question 80%, remaining 20% I will leave to you only. Okay, I will solve nearly 70 to 80% solution. Final judgment or final conclusion I will leave up to you only. Okay, I will write the B question. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus 21 into, don't worry, this problem looks a little bit large one, because all integers used are negative integer, minus 21, minus 4, minus 6. Therefore it looks quite a bigger compared to the previous problem. But we observe again, once again, the distributive property of multiplication over addition is used. A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition, and we all know that distributive property of multiplication over addition for integers is true always. It is always true, but still we need to verify it. Therefore, first we need to solve LHS separately and RHS separately, then we need to compare it. LHS means left equality signs left side. Okay, we solve it. One small bracket, one large bracket is there. Inside, first our step is to open small brackets. Open this, plus into minus, minus 21. This into as it is. You can't open directly bigger bracket, bigger one. Inside you open small bracket, plus into minus, minus 4, plus into minus, minus 6. Okay. Now minus 21 as it is, into as it is. Minus 4, minus 6. Both signs are negative, but same. Then addition will take place. 6 plus 4 will give you 10 and greater number sign. Okay, because there is no multiplication sign. If there is no multiplication sign, addition and subtraction rules. If there is a multiplication signs, rules are different. Now minus 21 as it is into, now inside single number is there, no, then you can open the bracket, plus into minus, minus 10 came also. Now between this integer and this integer, into is there. Now rules are different. Multiplication rules. What multiplication rule says? Before multiplying any number, first multiply its signs. Minus into minus will give you plus. 21 tens are 210. This is our LHS. Now we will solve RHS. RHS, two brackets are there. In between two brackets, plus is there. Okay. So we will solve one bracket. Larger bracket will keep as it is. Inside you open small brackets. Plus into minus, minus 21. This into as it is. Here plus into minus, minus 4. This plus as it is. Inside this large bracket open small bracket. Plus into minus, minus 21 into as it is. Plus into minus, minus 6. Okay, am I right? Now, in between minus 21 and minus 4, into is there. Multiplication rules now. Minus into minus will give you plus. If you multiply same signs, you will always get a plus only, whether it may minus or a plus. Minus into minus will give you plus. Plus into plus will give you plus. If you multiply different signs, you will get a minus. 21 4s are 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 84. Close this. Plus as it is. Now, between minus 21 and 6, minus 6 into is there. Multiplication rules. Minus into minus. Plus. 21 6s are 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 126. Now open the brackets, because inside single answer is there. Plus into plus. Plus 84 came outside. This plus as it is, or multiplication plus into plus, plus 126 will come outside. Now you say between this 84 and 126 there is no multiplication sign, both are having same sign, therefore addition will take place. Okay, 126 plus 84, 6 plus 4 10, 0, 1 carry forward. Okay, 8, 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 will give you 10. 210. Greater number sign. 210, 210. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Fine. Oh, I told you that I will leave 20% of the solution for you. I'm sorry, I forgot. Don't worry. In next session, I will come up with a new main and I will give homework also. Write this much in your classwork. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. See you again with a new concept. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.